Meet Bob. Bob is a builder. He loves to build things, but he doesn't much care for paperwork. Bob loves challenges, and one day Bob decided to build his own business. At first, it was great. Bob did everything. He met with clients. He estimated the cost. He handled the paperwork. And of course, he built the project. Bob was busy doing everything, so Bob hired a staff. He hired Jan as sales representative to meet with clients. He hired Bill as an estimator to estimate costs. He hired Leo as a project manager to handle the paperwork. He hired Jerry as a superintendent to build the project. Finally, he hired Linda as a controller to keep things under control. With all these great people, Bob thought his business should be able to handle 5 times what he was handling alone. But things don't always work out the way you expect. You see, Linda, Bob's controller, told Bob he was not making as much money as he should be. Bob looked hard at how his people worked together. What he saw shocked him. What Bob didn't count on was how much time his new team would spend documenting, entering, copying, sharing, forwarding, verifying, collating, researching, looking for, waiting, and waiting for the critical information needed to make his projects successful. When Bob did everything himself, there wasn't much need to share information. It was all in his head. Red Team keeps all of the critical information in one place, accessible over the internet by anyone that needs it, whenever and wherever they are. Bob's company was transformed. Bob once struggled finding people's names and numbers, which were in several software applications and on sticky notes all over his truck and desk. With Red Team, every team member's information is in a single location. Bob can assign action items and email straight from Red Team. Keeping up with the project's drawings and specifications was a challenge before Red Team. Missing any one revision or spec could greatly jeopardize the success of the project and Bob's bottom line. Now the entire scope of work is in Red Team, accessible online. Estimating and buying out a project felt like risky business for Bob and his estimator, Bill. With Red Team, it is simple to compare vendor quotes, taking the guesswork out of buying out of the job. Bob now feels much more confident in his numbers and in control. Bob was awarded a construction contract at the local Air Force base. He is required to report to the contracting officer weekly, and Bob often worked over the weekend to prepare. Now, Jerry enters daily progress reports into Red Team along with job site photos. Bob simply emails a weekly PM report to the contract officer. Bob is happy, and even more important, so is his customer. Project requirements often change throughout the course of a job, and Bob was losing money on change orders. With Red Team, directives are sent to vendors and the owner for changes. Change orders are now opportunities for Bob, not obstacles. Getting prompt answers to RFIs are critical, but Bob had no way of knowing which RFIs are outstanding, often resulting in delays. Today, Leo generates and emails his RFIs using Red Team, and the recipient simply clicks to answer. Red Team even created a gadget so Bob can view the status of all RFIs on Leo's projects. Bob still enjoys building things, but Linda often finds the company strapped for cash. Leo now bills his projects using Red Team. Vendor invoices are electronically routed to Leo and Bob for approval. Linda's cash flow has improved dramatically and there is money in the bank. Bob has completed another project and has met all contract requirements, including deliverables, which are easily tracked and viewed within Red Team. Bob's project information is all in one place and accessible over the internet by anyone that needs it, whenever and wherever they are. Even Bob, who now spends much more of his time at home, or wherever it is that Bob spends his time when he's not chained to his desk. Transform your business. Get Red Team. Total project control.